with class 10 maths. Trigonometry exercise 11.3. We have evaluated the following. So the first one, here you have tan 36 degree by cot 54 degree. So if you look over here, you have 36 degree plus 54 degree gives 90 degree. By this we can solve this sum by using complementary angles. As we know, complementary angles are the angles such as sin 90 minus theta gives cos theta, or cos 90 minus theta gives sin theta. You also have secant 90 minus theta gives cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta gives secant theta. So to solve the given sum, we can use tan 90 minus theta gives cot theta, or cot 90 minus theta gives tan theta. We can solve with these angles, but we must only use one angle. Either we can use tan 90 minus theta gives cos theta, or cot 90 minus theta gives tan theta. So here I would like to use an angle where, let me write down here. I would like to use an angle where tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Okay. By using this, I can change tan 36 degree. Okay. By using this, I can change tan 36 degree. I can write this tan 36 degree as solution, where I can write this tan 36 degree as tan 90 minus, instead of theta you can write 54 degree, where 90 minus 54 gives what? 36 degree. Okay. Tan 90 minus 54, where 90 minus 54 gives 36 degree, as we can say that tan 36 degree formed here. And according to the formula, you have tan 90 minus theta, instead of theta we placed 54 degree, gives what? Cot theta, as tan converts into cot. As we can write cot, instead of theta I can again write 54 degree. Now here I converted this tan 36 degree as cot 54 degree. Firstly, let me write this cot 54 degree over here. Cot 54 degree by, let's put this cot 54 down. Okay, let's carry this cot 54 over here, as we got cot 54. Where cot 54 gets cancelled, and we will be having the final answer as 1 to the given question. As here we can say, therefore answer for the given sum equals to 1. Okay, done. Now let's solve the second question. Welcome. Let's start with the second question, where you have cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. Here you have 12 degree and 78 degree. If you add 12 and 78, this gives us 90 degree. By this we can solve these given sum by complementary angles, where we can either solve this sum by using cos 90 minus theta gives sin theta, or sin 90 minus theta gives cos theta. Then here I would like to change cos 12 degrees to as I can write cos 12 degree by using cos 90 minus theta as sin theta, wait a minute. Okay, cos 90 minus theta gives what? Sin theta. Then now here I can solution. I can solve the given sum as cos 90 minus 78 degrees. Okay. Now here equals to, here you have where, okay, so now subtract 90 minus 78, where 90 minus 78 gives what? 12 degrees, right? 90 minus 78 gives 12 degrees, as we can write, where cos 90 minus theta, instead of theta I plus 78, this gives us what? Sine 78 degrees. Okay, sine 78 degrees, as I can place sine 78 degrees over here. And here I can write cos 90 minus 78 degrees as sine 78 degree. As here I change this cos 12 as sine 78, I can write sine 78 degree minus, let's put this sine 78 over here, the second. Okay, sine 78 degree. Here, now when we subtract sine 78 minus sine 78 gives what? 0. Therefore the answer will be Therefore, the answer will be 0 for the given sum. Okay, thank you. So let's solve the third sum. Welcome. Let's start with the third question, where cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. If you add 31 plus 59 gives us 90 degrees. By this, we can solve this given sum by complementary angles. We can either use cosecant 90 minus theta gives secant theta, or secant 90 minus theta gives cosecant theta. But we must use only one angle. Okay, we can either use this or that, but we must use only one angle. So here I would like to use cosecant. Here let's use cosecant 90 minus theta gives secant theta. Okay, by using this I can write the solution. As by using this I can solve as cosecant 90 minus, so here 90 minus theta, instead of theta let's add 59 degree. Okay, so 90 minus 59 gives us what? 31 degree, right? So here we got cosecant 31 degree, where instead of theta I place 59, as I can write 90 minus theta gives what? Secant theta. Instead of theta I can write 59 degree, as I can say secant 59 degree. Okay, we got secant 59 degree. As here I change this cosecant 31 degree into secant 59 degree, as I can write secant 59 degree minus, let's carry this secant 59 degree here, as we can write again secant 59 degree, where secant 59 degree minus secant 59 degree gives us what? 0. Therefore answer for the given question will give 0. Okay, now let's solve the fourth question. Okay, welcome. Let's start with the fourth question, where sine 15 degree into secant 75 degrees. Now if we add 15 plus 75, this gives us 90, and we can solve the given sum by complementary angles. We're starting with it. Firstly, let's change this secant 15 degree into cosecant, as okay, you have trigonometric ratio related to sine theta, where you have sine 90 minus theta gives us cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta, which gives us what? Cos theta. minus theta, which gives us sin 90 minus theta gives us cos theta. And now here to write it as I can write the solution. To solve this problem, I can write sin 90 minus, instead of theta I can place 75 degree, where 90 minus 75 degree gives us 15 degree, equals to, instead of theta place I placed 75 degree over theta. I can write cos 75 degree. Okay, where sin 90 minus theta gives what? Cos theta, as sin 90 minus 75 gives cos 75. As here I change this sin's 15 as cos 75. Here I can write cos cos 75 degree into secant 75 degree. Okay. Cos 75 degree into secant 75 degree. Done. Now here we can change. Here you have cos 75 degree. Here we can write cos as cos theta as. Here let me write down here, like where cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta. Okay. Here you have a cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta. By using this, I can write where cos theta is cos 75 degree equals to 1 by secant theta, where secant theta, as I can write secant 75. Okay, by using this I can write where cos theta cos 75 degree equals to 1 by secant 75 degree. Clear? And now let's write this secant 75. Okay, is into secant 75 degree, where secant 75 gets cancelled, and you will be having the final answer 1. Okay, as here we can write 1. Okay, therefore the answer will be 1. And let me write down here, therefore answer equals to, okay. Now done with the fourth question. Let's solve the fifth question. Now let's solve the fifth question. So here we have tan 26 into tan 64 degrees. Okay, so when we add 26 degrees and 64 degrees, 26 plus 64 gives us 90 degrees. As we can solve with complementary angle, where here we must convert only one angle into cot. Okay, we can either convert tan 26 into cot or tan 64 into cot. Now here let's convert tan 26 as by using tan 90 minus theta gives what? Cot theta. Okay. Alright, by using this, okay, by using this, here we can solve like tan 90 minus 64 degrees. Okay, tan 90 minus 64, where 90 minus 64 gives us what? 26 degrees, right? So here we change tan 26 degree as cot 64 degree. Okay, tan 90 minus theta gives what? Cot theta. Now let's write down cot 64 here, like cot 64 degree into tan, write this tan 64 here, like tan 64 degree. Okay, and tan 64 degree. Now here to solve the given question, as we know that where we can write where cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. By using this, where cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. By using this, we can solve like where cot 64 instead of theta we place 64 as cot 64 equals to 1 by tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay, where tan 64 gets cancelled. Let me write down here like tan 64. Where tan 64 and tan 64 gets cancelled. Finally, you have the answer 1. Therefore, let me write down here. Therefore, the answer equals to 1 for the given question. Right? Done? And thank you.